Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can disable your passcode on iPhone. Since iPhone likes to top up its security and have you setting up tight security for your iPhone. But however, some people don't like having their phones locked. However, you should not worry for your security for your Apple ID, so make sure you watch till the end of this video. Let's simply start by opening settings. So now that the settings are open, you can see even more tools to work with, so simply go to the security section area. So let's simply start by opening fingerprint and passcode. And now as you can see, we have the security area opened and you have been asked to put in your current PIN, so simply insert it. And now that it's open, you can see that we have the options based on security to work with, and as you can see on the top we have the fingerprint settings. So turn off your fingerprint locker, simply come and scroll down to this part which says turn passcode off. So click it. And now as you can see, you have been given the area to insert in your current PIN. And now as you can see, your passcode has been turned off. So from now on your phone will keep on being unlocked unless you change your mind and come back and turn it on. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.